Recover deleted photos. Hello viewers, in today's video you are going to learn how to recover deleted photos and videos from Android phone. So let's get started. First check the Google Photos application. For this, go to the Google Actions tab, then open bin. If the photos are there and it's been less than 60 days, you can restore them easily. Another option is check your phone's gallery or file manager application. Here look for a recently deleted or trash folder. Many Android phones store deleted folders for up to 30 days. If the photos are not found, use a reliable data recovery app from the Play Store like DiskDigger. These apps scan your device storage and can recover recently deleted photos. They work best if the phone has not been heavily used since the deletion. If your photos were on a SD card, remove it and use recovery software on a PC like Recuva or PhotoRec to scan the card and restore your images. And that's how you can recover deleted photos from an Android device. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.